Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an eyebrow tutorial on how I get my brows. I've already got a little makeup on, foundation, concealer, and bronzer and blush and a little lipstick. I haven't done my eyeshadow yet because I wanted the focus of this video to be my eyebrows only. This video was requested by a good friend of mine, so obviously when somebody requests a video, I will try to do it for them. Normally I use an eyebrow pencil, like Anastasia Beverly Hills, but they've got some also at the drugstore. You just kind of have to look around and shop for them, but I'm out of that eyebrow pencil. What I've been using is this Tarte Clay Play palette, and if y'all been watching my videos, you've seen before that I usually take this cool tone brown here because my eyebrows are not very dark, so I don't want to have really dark eyebrows and lighter colored hair or have them a lot darker than they actually really are. So what I do is I just take this color on a small angled brush, tap it off, and I always start on the tail of the brow, and I just put a line. And I like a good arch, so I usually leave like a little arch there, and then I go to the front of my brow and draw just a little straight line that I want to be the bottom of the brow. And then I take it and I do little vertical motions here to make it look kind of like eyebrow hairs because my eyebrows are kind of sparse in places. So once I do that, then I take it and then I just kind of go over the rest of the brow. To get the shape that I want. And as you can see, all I'm using is powder and it does a pretty good job. So now that I've got that one brow done, I'm going to do this one. So again, I put it in there and tap off the excess. And then I start on the tail of my brow. And then I make a line underneath. And then I try to make them as even as I possibly can. Sometimes, let's face it, they're not twins, they're sisters, okay? And that's fine, because you're not going to always get them perfect every time. And as you can see, they're a little bit different, but they look a lot better than they do without it. So once I've got that on there, I like to take a brow gel. And this one came in a BoxyCharm, but there are plenty of brow gels out there. You just have to look for them. This one is the Brow Gal. And it come in the light hair color. So I just take this. It's got a tiny little spoolie on it. And then I just go over the brows. And kind of swoop the hairs up a little bit. And then I take it and then I just kind of make sure it's got that nice defined arch in it. And this usually keeps them in place pretty good all day. And I work 10-hour shifts and usually my eyebrows stay in place very well. So as you can see, you don't necessarily have to have like a brow pencil. You can use an eyeshadow. You could use any kind of powder product as long as you have like a good angled brush. And this little brush came in an eyeshadow palette. Obviously, I don't use it with the eyeshadow palette. But there are plenty other angled brushes. This one is from Eco Tools. This is the one I used to use for my eyebrows. And then, of course, it's important to have a good spoolie. And, you know, sometimes it helps to brush your eyebrows out first. Normally I don't have to do that unless they're just really crazy. So anyway, that's going to do it for this eyebrow tutorial, and I hope you like it. Short and sweet and to the point. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to know when I upload, there's a little notification bell that you can hit, and it will let you know when I upload. So that's all for today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, I can't talk.